Here's how to get Astral hook rod in Roblox Fisch. First is go to Fisch and go ahead and click on the play options so that you can go ahead and play on the game. Now here's the thing. You have to go ahead and make sure that you are on a max level before you actually created or use a new fishing rod. Now, afterwards, when you already reach the level max, you'll be able to see the option wherein you are now go ahead and avail new fishing rods or fishing rod cast. Now what you need to do is to select one and click on the equip option. So now you can go ahead and use it to your entire game. Now after equipping a new fishing rod, you can now go ahead and enjoy using it to your game. And now you can go ahead and level up your game depending on what you want.